Welcome to today's video about the benefits of argan oil for dry hair care and moisturizing. Argan oil, also known as liquid gold, is one of the best natural solutions for your hair. Let us get to know the 7 most important tips for using argan oil to care for your dry hair. The first tip is about deeply moisturizing the hair. Argan oil contains a high percentage of fatty acids and vitamin E, which makes it an effective moisturizer for dry hair. So warm a few drops of oil in your hands and distribute it on your damp hair from the roots to the ends. The second tip about protecting hair from damage. Argan oil acts as a protective layer that protects your hair from damage resulting from the use of thermal styling tools and harsh chemicals. So use it before exposing your hair to heat to avoid hair breakage and dryness. The third tip is about enhancing hair's natural shine. Argan oil gives hair a natural, healthy shine. After you wash your hair and dry it with a towel, put a few drops of oil on the ends of your hair to give it a shiny and beautiful appearance. We move on to the fourth tip, which will be about reducing hair loss. Thanks to its rich content of nutrients, argan oil helps promote hair growth and strengthen its follicles, which reduces hair loss. So gently massage your scalp using the oil twice a week to get the best results. The fifth tip will be about its benefits in detangling hair. Argan oil helps in detangling hair easily, which makes it an excellent choice for curly or tangled hair. So use the oil as a hair moisturizer after showering to make it easier to comb the hair and avoid breakage. The sixth tip will be about getting rid of dandruff. If you suffer from dandruff, argan oil can be the perfect solution. So massage your scalp with the oil and leave it for an hour before washing your hair with shampoo to get rid of dandruff and moisturize the scalp to get healthy hair without dandruff. The seventh and final tip will be about deeply nourishing the hair. So use argan oil as a nourishing hair mask once a week and put a sufficient amount of oil on your hair and leave it for 30 minutes before washing it. You will notice a big difference in the softness and health of your hair. Important note, you can get argan oil and the best natural oils from the link in the description if you are watching us on YouTube, or in the link in our bio if you are watching us through our accounts on social media platforms. In conclusion, these were the 7 most important tips on the benefits of argan oil for caring for and moisturizing dry hair. Just try these tips and enjoy healthy and shiny hair. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe.